What's up, Sneakerheads? We're coming back with y'all with another video. In this video, we'll have my top 5 pickups for 25. Starting off with number 5, we do have the Kobe AllStar. I do think this is a clean colorway for the summer. You can rock this with almost anything because it is white and black. Kind of give you that overall look. This is the first time that these stars have been done before. That's why I think this is a very special shoe. And let me know your thoughts and opinions about these. So moving on to the next shoe. It will be the Jordan 4 white cements. Let me know if you pick you up a pair. I do think this is another very clean shoe for the summer. Can't go wrong. Again, it's kind of like, looks like that same style and idea, meaning that predominantly the shoe is white and black. It does have some gray hits with those speckles at the bottom. I do think overall this is a clean shoe for the summer. It does have that Nike Air branding on the back that we all love. And let me know your thoughts and opinions about these sneakerheads. So moving on to the third shoe on the list. It may shock everyone, but this will be the black cement 5s. This was released in a long time. We've been waiting on these. One of the differences, it does have that piping along the edge, which really makes this shoe pop and stand out. And this is something that they didn't do before, so this is considered the re-image. And of course, it does have the white laces. A lot of people probably prefer the black laces, but let me know your thoughts and your opinions about these. Again, this is my number 3 top pick for 25. Moving on to my number 2. Now this may shock a lot of people, but the Jordan 3 is one of my favorite silhouettes, and we have no other than the Jordan 3 Rare Air. I know these are sitting in a lot of places, but I had to have these in my collection. Again, I already won DSDs and wore these for Father's Day. It does feature that Nike Air branding on the back. One thing that's kind of cool, this is already sold out, so you don't want to worry about this aging out. Overall, this is just like a black cement with some pop of color in that red and blue. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions about these sneakerheads. Did you cop you a pair? Those feature that tan midsole right there. So a very clean shoe. You can rock these for the summer or the winter time, in my opinion, because it does have the lighter contrast of color as well. So I think you can rock these pretty much all year round. But let me know your thoughts and opinions about these sneakerheads. So moving on to the last and final shoe of the list, my number 1 pick, again, the Jordan 4 SB Navies. Again, there was a lot of controversy about this shoe. I know right now this shoe in my size 10 is going for about $250. Some people may think that that's a steal. It does have that Nike SB at the back. It does feature that softer tab in the back as well. Overall, this is a clean shoe. I do like navy. It's one of my favorite colors. And again, a nice shoe for the summer. You can rock these also in the winter time because it does have that nice gray hits to give it some more tonal contrast. I guess you can put in some light gray laces, but let me know your thoughts about these. If you have anything different in your collection or your top 5 picks of 25, let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads. I'd love to hear from you. I know a lot of people will probably say the Brick by Brick is probably the number 1 shoe that's released thus far, but since I didn't get to cop those in my collection, I didn't put them on the list. But let me know what you think about my list. Comment down below. And if you like videos like this, make sure you hit that bell for notification. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.